the warning has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A new warning will be issued for northern Denton County. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for North Central Texas. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Wise County in north central Texas, northern Denton County in north central Texas, until 3:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:50 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles west of Crum, or 12 miles east of Decatur, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Denton, Sanger, Prosper, Salina, Crum, Pilot Point, Aubrey, Krugerville, Crossroads, Ray Roberts Park Isle du Bois, Ray Roberts Park Johnson Branch, Ponder, Lincoln Park, Greenwood, Providence Village, Stony, Bolivar, Slidell, Lake Ray Roberts and Louisville Lake. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows,